Swiggy Q3 FY26 results, food delivery growth accelerates, quick commerce scales rapidly. Swiggy's food delivery business remained the key driver of performance in Q3 FY26, with gross order value growing 20.5% year-on-year to 8,959 crore rupees. Monthly transacting users in food delivery increased 22% year to 18.1 million, indicating sustained demand and deeper user engagement across the platform. Profitability in food delivery improved meaningfully during the quarter, with adjusted EBITDA margins expanding to 3.0% of GOV, the highest level in the last 2 years. Management attributed this improvement to higher order frequency, better affordability levers, and operating leverage without sacrificing growth momentum. Quick commerce arm Instamart continued its rapid expansion, posting 103% year-on-year growth in GOV to 7,938 crore rupees. Growth was driven by a sharp 40% increase in average order value to 746 rupees, supported by basket building initiatives and an expanding non-grocery assortment. During the quarter, Swiggy added 34 dark stores, taking the total network to 1,136 dark stores across 131 cities. While the segment remains loss-making, contribution margins improved sequentially to -2.5%, reflecting better basket economics and optimized customer incentives. Despite margin improvement, Quick Commerce reported an adjusted EBITDA loss of 908 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, highlighting the continued investment phase of the business. However, adjusted EBITDA margins improved to -11.4% from -12.1% in the previous quarter, indicating gradual operating leverage. The out-of-home consumption segment maintained its profitable trajectory, with GOV growing 49% year-on-year and adjusted EBITDA margins improving to 0.7% of GOV. This segment continues to add diversification to Swiggy's revenue mix and strengthens the overall platform ecosystem. At the platform level, average monthly transacting users increased 37% year to 24.3 million, with over 36% of users now using more than one service. This growing cross-usage highlights improving wallet share and the benefits of Swiggy's multi-service strategy. Management reiterated confidence in the long-term opportunity, particularly in quick commerce, which it believes is still in the early stages of penetration. Backed by a strengthened balance sheet following the recent keep, investors will closely watch the pace of margin expansion and the path to contribution break-even in the coming quarters. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.